2007 Jeep Grand Cherokee 5.7 Hemi Limited. Changing the oil pressure switch sensor. As you see, I don't want to make the video long. Basically, you take the cover here. This is already took it off. It, you know, on the passenger side, just where you see the oil is dripping a little bit because I open it. See that? And it has the switch. Let me show it to you. Sorry for the video. This is the switch for it. That red is safety. It's a little bit difficult. And this is where it goes. This is how it looks like. Some videos are long, but you know, I just want to make it simple, and it took me a bit to open it. I'll show you both. The one I bought from Canadian Tire for $50, and they have Napa for $80, depend what you want. This is what I bought it from Canadian Tire. Honestly, I don't know if this is Chinese, USA. You know, some video does say, but they label it. It doesn't say where it comes from. So this is the original. This is how it looked like. And this is the one I just bought it. So I don't want to make the video long. As you saw, where was it? You need 27 millimeter socket to go above this, and same thing, different shape, but same 27. You don't have to tight much, just a little bit of oil will drip, which is not gonna harm anything. I just too much safety, you know, stand. I'm trying to save some money doing it at home, but it's just a learning experience, because you do need too much tools, as they say, you know. And thank you guys. I know I'm not a mechanic, I'm not licensed. Always look for the safety tips, but I'm just showing it to you what's look like. What is it if you try to save some money or some handyman to do it for you. Thank you.